In this video, I'll show you how to return to Yahoo Classic Mail. Yahoo's default layout has changed, but there's still a way to get back to the older, simpler look, at least for now. First, open Yahoo Mail in your web browser and sign in. Then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Switch to Classic Mail and click it. Yahoo will ask you to confirm, select Yes, and your inbox will reload in the basic view. Once you're in Classic Mail, open your Settings page again. At the top left, click the blue link that says Back to Inbox or Return to Email. Your inbox will now appear in the old, familiar Yahoo Classic layout. One important note, this change isn't permanent. If you close your browser or refresh the page, Yahoo may switch you back to the new design. That's why I recommend bookmarking the Settings page so you can get back to Classic View in just one click. If you don't see the option to switch to Basic Mail, it may be because your Yahoo account is too new, or Yahoo has removed the feature for your region. In that case, unfortunately, the Classic View won't be available. And that's it. You've just brought back the Yahoo Classic Mail experience in 2025.